Hello everybody, so today I am going to solve this problem. So it's right here. So I have screenshot it, failed to send the bus messages. So how I solve this is by doing this. So if we do this xfce4 dash panel dash r, you will see that error. If not, then if you won't see any uh, menu bar like this. So in order to show the menu, so what you need to do is xfce4 panel, just type this, and if you go on this next terminal and do xfcef panel dash r, then it will restart it and you will get the back the menu. So thank you guys.